Alright, well today we're going to look at the app that goes with Google called Geogebra. And so what we've done here is I've logged in. Actually it's my son who's logged into this computer, and I can tell that because it's right up here. So I've logged into my Google Docs, I've got my username here, and as long as I'm using Google Chrome I should see this right up here. It says my apps, and I'm going to click on that. And the app that I want to use is right here. It's called Geogebra. Oops, let me go back here. I was trying to get the name here. There we go. So Geogebra. I'm going to click on it, and when I do that, you may or may not. It may or may not ask you to sign in. If it does, just click on the use Google to sign in, and then once you get here, you can choose whichever application you want. I'm going to do geometry because I'm going to be measuring some angles today. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to open up. There's a lot of different things I can do, but I'm just going to start with the basics. And so I want to draw a shape. So if I click on any of these, it gives me some choices. So I'm going to draw a polygon, and basically all I have to do is draw whatever shape I want, how many ever sides, and then when I'm done I just need to click back on A to kind of close things up. Now, if I want to measure the angles, I'm going to use this tool right here, and the key is, in order to measure the angle, if I want angle B, I have to go in a clockwise manner, choosing the three sides that will make up this angle, or the 3 points I should say, 2 sides, 3 points. So I'm going to click A, B, C, and it gives me that angle. Now for angle C, I'll choose B, C, A, and finally I can do C, A, B. And now I've got the different angles. If I added up all of those three, then I would end up with a total of 180, which is what hopefully you'll find is the measurement of a triangle. Now the cool thing is, if I click back here on the arrow, I can move these lines, and as I move them, you can see that the angles are changing. No matter what angle I go to, or however I move the lines, it's still going to add up to 180 degrees because I do have that triangle. So this is just a brief way to use it. Again, if I wanted to add another one, I can just click the move button, click in the middle to move it. I can add another shape here. And again, to do the measurements of the angles, choose angle, and if I want E, I'm going to start with D, E, F, and if I happen to skip one, it doesn't really matter. I can always go back, just remembering I want to go clockwise for the internal angles. If I want the external, I go counterclockwise. So let me show you one of those real quick. There you go. Okay, I'll finish this one up, and there we go. So hopefully this helps you out. Just a quick little step. There's so much more to do with GeoGebra, but this is basically being able to create shapes and measuring those angles, and hopefully this will help you out. Until next time.